Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be about 2 centimeters long. Ideally it should be a rectangular brush so it can easily reach the port. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to first soften the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. A small piece of plastic will also come in handy, just to check the sides of the port to see if any dust is left there, so you can simply remove it. We actually printed it ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can also buy it on Allegro, Amazon and so on. You can buy this brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise it will scratch your phone. It may not be as convenient as a rectangular thin brush, but you can still use it. The phone must be turned off before the procedure. Never clean your phone while it's on, because you could damage it. Thoroughly moisten the brush with alcohol. Take the phone in your hand. Here we have the port. Insert the brush all the way into the port from one side and move it to the other side. Repeat this action 10 or 15 times in one direction to thoroughly clean the port, so that any dust inside the port comes out, if there is any. Not back and forth at the same time, but in one direction only, because otherwise you might just move the dirt around inside the port and it simply won't come out. But this way it will come out of the port without any problem. You should repeat this motion about 10 or 15 times in one specific direction and then do the same in the other direction. From the other side of the device, we carefully insert the brush all the way in and move it in the opposite direction. Once again, we repeat this thorough motion approximately 10 or 15 times so that the internal port is cleaned perfectly and all debris is removed. After the procedure, we set the phone aside. Although we'll actually use this little plastic tool again to check if there's anything left on the ends, so we insert the plastic tool. Just remember, it has to be plastic, not metal, because metal could cause a short circuit and you could damage your phone. We push it all the way in and pull it out. If there was anything, it would simply be at the tip of the plastic tool. Do the same from the other side of the port, in the same direction. Now turn the phone over and do exactly the same thing, only this time it will be the other end of the port. After the procedure, set the phone aside for 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Afterwards, you can turn the phone on as usual and use it normally. Everything will work as it should. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.